Have you ever considered how easy it is to maintain a sparkling toilet with just a bit of washing powder? It's a straightforward yet often overlooked method that can save you time and effort. By incorporating unconventional cleaning supplies into your routine, you'll not only enhance the cleanliness of your toilet but also tackle tough stains and grime effectively without the harsh chemicals found in traditional cleaners. After the recommended soaking period, you'll notice the noticeable difference in the appearance of your toilet bowl. It transforms the dreaded chore of toilet cleaning into a simple and effective process. Let's dive into the world of washing powder. You might be intrigued to know how this simple household item not only cleans but also rejuvenates your toilet. It's less about scrubbing harder and more about allowing powerful ingredients to work together seamlessly to lift away grime. Many of us want a quick solution, and using washing powder embraces both convenience and efficiency while ensuring our toilets remain hygienic. Plus, with the added bonus of antibacterial properties, you can confidently approach cleaning knowing you're also sanitizing your space. It's an innovative shift in toilet maintenance that everyone should try. To begin this transformative cleaning method, make sure your toilet is flushed and slightly damp to activate the washing powder. As you pour in the half cup, be meticulous, spread the powder evenly across the surface of the bowl, ensuring that every corner gets a touch. Once the powder is settled, you'll have approximately 15 to 20 minutes to let it work its wonders. During this interval, take a moment to appreciate the blend of ingredients, surfactants, water softeners, and antibacterial agents coming together to tackle the buildup. This unexpected alliance means less scrubbing for you and a more effective clean overall. Remember, patience is key, as those few minutes will yield impressive results. Once the time is up, grab your trusty toilet brush and begin scrubbing gently around the edges and in the corners, allowing the cleaning power of the washing powder to carry on tackling any residual stains. As you do this, you'll notice how effortlessly the grime lifts away, leaving behind a sparkling surface that shines under the light. This simple but effective method showcases how household items can drastically change our cleaning routines, proving that sometimes, innovation lies in the most unexpected places. Remember to appreciate the difference in your toilet's cleanliness as you finish up. It's all about transforming the mundane task into a satisfying experience. Embracing this technique not only uplifts your cleaning routine but also inspires creativity in how we approach household tasks. As you consider other innovative methods, remember that small changes can lead to remarkable outcomes in your home maintenance. Happy cleaning, and may your toilet stay sparkling bright.